Hello traders, it's a beautiful day and it's a blessed day. Thank you very much guys for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing to my channel right now. It just takes a few seconds to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to like my videos. That's a way of supporting me as I bring you free weekly content on here. And I believe already for those who have watched my videos, you appreciate the content and also you have liked the content. I can see the reactions, I can see the views, I can see for those who are responding and are sending me some
guys,
messages.
so
Thank you very
speaking
much.
to scalpers, if you are scalping, you have to know this is very important, and I believe you have encountered this, and it's a common mistake among scalpers, okay, at very lower time frames. Now this is specifically for scalpers, but even if you're a day trader, a swing trader, sometimes you do scalp. All right, so this will also help you understand something and avoid it. This is a common mistake. So in an uptrend, if you identify an uptrend and you are looking to enter a trade, so if you're a scalper, you are just looking to take 10 to 15 pips at most and just get out of the market. All right, out of the market. So in an uptrend, you have higher highs like this and higher lows. Okay, there has to be BOS, break of structure to the upside. It has to be clear. So you have to identify the trend is moving in that direction. Just trying to, okay, so there has to be BOS, there was a break of structure here, okay, creating swing lows and swing highs. Swing lows, swing highs, all right? I'll be showing you that in a second. So this is a break of structure, and you can see that the trend is moving to the upside. This would be a bullish scenario. It would be the opposite. You have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Okay, it's a clear break of structure to the downside. This would be in a bearish scenario. Okay, before I show that to you with candlesticks, I just want to illustrate here for you so that it's clear. All right, so that's a break of structure there. There was also a break of structure here forming swing lows and swing highs. Okay, this would be in a bearish scenario. All right, so in this case, you can see that the price action is forming swing highs and swing lows, and then a swing high, potential swing low, and then the potential swing high. So there has to be a break of structure to the upside for you to consider buying. So in this case, okay, we have a swing low here. So that would be our swing high over here. All right, so we are going to draw horizontal line at the swing high here, and then we are going to place another horizontal line at the swing low right here. This would be our swing low. Okay, so there's something that happens when traders are going to enter, are just about to enter their position for a buy or sell. In this situation, you have to be very patient, guys. All right, the common mistake we need to avoid is, as a scalper, or if you are trading at very lower time frames, you have to avoid placing trades prematurely when the candle is still dancing, guys. The candle is still active. If it's a 1 minute candle, especially in volatile markets, you can see it dancing like that. And even if it breaks above your previous, your swing high, okay, even if this price has already broken above the swing high, creating a possible BOS, break of structure to the upside, some traders are very quick, and this is a common, they see a bullish candle like this, they has broken above the swing high, and they are placing their trades already. Okay, they are placing their buy orders already. This is very risky. It's very risky. Okay, it's very risky. Okay, you don't do this when you see a candle dancing like that. It has not yet closed. You have to wait for a close and a confirmation to the upside, okay, at lower time frames. Because you are scalping quick, you cannot just place a trade when this happens. So what you are waiting for is for this bullish candle to close before you take your trade. Because this scenario could happen. This is what could happen. This candle could easily turn into a bearish candle, like a gravestone doji. Immediately it could turn to something like this. All right, it could turn to something like this, could turn to a gravestone doji, or even a shooting star all right, and take you out. This scenario can happen, all right? This can happen because if you jump in early when the candle is still active, it could take you out with a gravestone doji like that and head all the way down. What you have to wait for is for this candle, okay, to close above with its body. Let it close above here, okay? Let it close above there with its body like that. And then when after the close, because you are scalping, you place your trade immediately, mostly more effectively with the scalper. So you'd place your trade after the close of that candle and place your stop loss just below here, a considerable number of pips down here, and target 10 to 15 pips up there. All right. That's how you would trade this as a scalper. Don't be quick to buy before this candle closes. It has to close with the candle body, not with the wick. Okay? The wick is not good for you guys. It has to close with the candle body. Let's say it closes like this, all right? Even if there is a wick up here, that's no issue. Even if there is a wick up there, on the candle like that, as long as it has closed above the previous swing high with the candle body, then you can jump in for a buy and target a few pips, 10 to 15 pips, and you are out of that market because you are scalping. All right, you are scalping. So do not make this mistake of trading when the candle is still active, okay, like that. When it is still active like that in lower time frames, especially when the market is very volatile, okay, it tends to move like that. During New York session, you see the candle is very active like that and you are jumping in immediately. Take care, guys. Don't make this mistake when you are going to buy. So in a bearish scenario also, okay, in a bearish scenario at this point here, so this is our swing low here. So we are waiting for price to take out this swing low before we can sell. All right, to take out this swing low before we can sell here. But we have to wait, just like in the bullish scenario, we have to wait for this candle. Okay, we have to wait for this candle which is dancing like that. Okay, it's very active. It's in a volatile market. Okay, usually in lower time frames you can really see it moving like that, especially in New York session or during news or whatever. You see it dancing like that. So be careful. Don't immediately jump in for a sell here. Do not jump in for a sell immediately. You jump in for a sell there, and this candle could easily take you reverse and form like a dragonfly or hammer. It could form a hammer here, okay, and easily become a bullish candle. This would be a hammer, something. It could form a hammer candlestick pattern here and take you out. So be careful. This could easily happen. Something like this can easily happen and your stop loss is taken out. All right, with this long wick, it takes out your stop loss when it reverses. So just wait for this candle which is active to first close bearish. If it closes bearish like that, then you can take your sell here. After its close, you target a few pips, 10 to 15 pips, and you are out of that market. All right, you are out of the market with your profit. So be careful when the candle is still active. Do not take your trades. Wait for it to close before you can take your trades. I hope that is clear. This is a common mistake. You should avoid that mistake, especially if you're a scalper. This is for scalpers, so avoid that mistake when you are taking your trades at lower time frames. This can save you lots of money. So when you confirm a break of structure to the upside, make sure there's a break of structure close above with a significant candlestick body. You can see that it's closed up with the candlestick body before you can place your buys, all right, and scalp a few pips, 10 to 15 pips, and you're out of that market. Most people, of course, when you are scalping, you tend to use a bigger lot size so that you can catch more profit, okay? Because you are trading a few pips and you're out of the market. So it's crucial for us to know when to enter the market and when not to enter the market. So in this case, the common mistake people make is to enter when they see a bullish candle, which is still active, okay, for a buy. All right, so wait for the candle to close before you buy, and make sure you place your stop loss at a significant, for example, if you are buying here, if you are buying after the candles close up there, please place your stop loss some significant number of pips below that candle, significant number of pips below that candle, okay, and target your 15 pips of or 10 pips up here. All right, okay, so that's what you would do. Do not just place your stop loss something like this, okay? You can easily, this candle could reverse, it could reverse, there could be a next candle could come to retest here before you can take it heads upwards. So be sure to place your stop loss just significant number of pips below that candle, okay, so that you are safe off. So be careful with this. So jump in for a buy when that candle closes above the previous swing high with its body, and also jump in for a sell when this candle closes significantly with its body below the previous swing, the swing low. All right, and also in this case, make sure you place your stop loss just significantly above that candle, okay, not very close here, because this could happen also in this scenario that the next candle could return to retest these areas before heading all the way down. So guys, this is how you would scalp, okay, and catch 10 to 15 pips in profit, okay. So avoid these mistakes of jumping in very fast or very quickly or very early, prematurely, before you get that confirmation of a bullish or bearish candle closing with its body, okay, below the swing low or above the swing high. Then take that trade if you are scalping. Okay, this is very effective for gold if you are trading gold and also GBP USD in those volatile pairs. This is very effective for scalping. All right. So thank you guys for watching.